What's up guys, welcome back to Damn Dog Creative Channel, a channel where you can learn awesome and incredible ideas on how to make DIY stuff at home. So if you are new to this channel, consider hitting that red subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so that you never miss the latest update. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a mobile stand. Of course, yes, I've made a couple of mobile stand videos in the past, but this one is quite different, trust me. So without wasting any of your time, let's do this!
Hellcat. Coming like a Hellcat.
So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and if you really enjoyed it, please let me know by leaving a like and comment down below. So this was a little mobile stand that I made. It fit perfectly with my phone and it's pretty awesome and clean, you know. So if you want to make this type of mobile stand, consider using your own phone's measurement. Do not use my phone measurement, because maybe your phone will be bigger than mine or mine will be bigger than yours. So use your own phone to measure. It's pretty classic though. It fits perfectly. So if you want to see more of my videos, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and I'll leave a link in the end of the video so you can click on it and go and watch more videos. So I'll catch you up in the next video. Peace out.